The first bite of food after a long fast can feel like a victory, a moment of triumph, where you've navigated the discomfort and sacrifice, only to find yourself on the other side with a hunger that feels like it could consume you. But what happens next? What should you eat to fuel your body's incredible transformation? And what should you avoid? For centuries, humans have fasted, either for spiritual reasons, survival, or for health benefits. Our bodies have adapted to long periods without food, and in those times of scarcity, our bodies become resourceful, using fat for fuel, repairing cells, and triggering ancient survival mechanisms. But how we break our fast, the foods we choose to eat in that pivotal moment, can influence everything from fat burning and insulin sensitivity to cellular repair and brain performance. So, how do you harness the power of fasting? And more importantly, how do you break it for optimal results? Metabolic health, the state of your body's ability to efficiently process food into energy, manage fat, and regulate hormones has never been more crucial in today's world of chronic illness. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome are on the rise, often linked to poor dietary habits, sedentary lifestyles, and imbalanced hormones. Yet the key to reversing many of these conditions might be found in an ancient practice that's been with us since the dawn of human evolution: fasting. When we fast, our body undergoes a fascinating metabolic transformation. After the last meal, our body starts to deplete its immediate energy stores from glucose in the blood. After a few hours, it taps into the liver's glycogen stores. But once glycogen is depleted, typically after 12 to 16 hours of fasting, the body switches gears, turning to fat stores for energy. This is when the magic of fat burning truly begins. However, fasting isn't just about burning fat. During this time, your body begins a remarkable process of repair and rejuvenation. Cellular repair mechanisms activate, including autophagy, the body's way of cleaning up and recycling old, damaged cells. It's during fasting that your cells are essentially spring cleaning, shedding debris, removing malfunctioning components, and preparing to function at their highest capacity. This is a powerful biological process that has been linked to longevity and disease prevention. But here's the catch. How you break your fast plays a crucial role in whether these processes will continue to work in your favor or come to a screeching halt. Insulin is a hormone that plays a pivotal role in our body's ability to store energy. When we eat, particularly foods high in carbohydrates, insulin levels rise as the body processes glucose from the food. Insulin helps shuttle glucose into cells to be used for energy or stored as fat. But when insulin levels remain chronically high, because we're constantly eating high-carb meals or processed foods, this can lead to insulin resistance, a key factor in metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. Breaking a fast improperly with the wrong foods can spike insulin levels too quickly and disrupt the body's delicate hormonal balance. One of the key benefits of fasting is improving insulin sensitivity, meaning the body's ability to respond to insulin in a healthy way. If we break our fast with foods that spike insulin, like refined sugars or simple carbohydrates, we essentially undo the benefits of fasting, sending our body back into fat storage mode instead of promoting fat burning. So, what does this mean for you as you consider the all-important question, what should I eat when I break my fast? The food choices you make when breaking your fast are critical to maintaining the metabolic benefits of fasting. Ideally, you want to choose foods that won't overwhelm your digestive system or cause a sudden insulin spike. The key is to ease your body back into digestion, support fat burning, and continue to promote the repair and rejuvenation that fasting activates. 1. Start with easily digestible foods. After fasting, your body is in a sensitive state. Your digestive enzymes and gut flora may have adjusted to the absence of food, and introducing complex meals too quickly could cause discomfort or digestive distress. Instead, start with foods that are gentle on the stomach. Broths, soups, or smoothies can help ease the body back into digestion. These are rich in nutrients but low in fiber and fat, making them easier for the stomach to handle as it wakes up from a period of rest. 2. Introduce protein. Once your body has started digesting, protein is a good next step. Fasting triggers the process of autophagy, which helps repair damaged cells. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to rebuild and regenerate. It also plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Choose high-quality protein sources: grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, or pastured eggs. These provide not only the necessary amino acids, but also healthy fats and micronutrients. 3. Healthy fats to keep you fueled. Fat is a key player in fasting because it provides the body with slow-burning energy once glycogen stores have been depleted. When breaking your fast, it's important to choose healthy fats that support metabolic function and brain health. Avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts are excellent options. These fats are easily metabolized and can help you feel satisfied without overwhelming your digestive system. 4. Avoid refined carbs and sugars. After fasting, it's tempting to reach for a sweet treat or a quick carbohydrate fix, but doing so can spike insulin levels and send your body into fat-storing mode. Refined carbs, like white bread, pasta, or pastries, are quickly digested, causing a sharp rise in blood sugar. This can not only sabotage your fat-burning efforts, but also disrupt the hormonal balance that fasting helped to reset. Instead, choose whole food sources of carbohydrates, such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, or berries, which are rich in fiber and provide a slow, steady release of energy. Autophagy is a fascinating and vital process. During fasting, as glycogen stores are depleted, your body's cells begin to break down and recycle damaged components. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health and reducing the risk of diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. Autophagy has been shown to be a key factor in longevity, as it helps the body adapt to stress by eliminating dysfunctional parts of cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy cells. By breaking your fast with nutrient-dense foods, proteins, healthy fats, and fibrous vegetables, you provide the building blocks your cells need to repair and regenerate. This is where the transformation happens. As your body repairs itself, you emerge healthier, more energized, and better able to perform at your highest level. During fasting, there is a remarkable shift in how your brain functions. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports brain function and encourages the growth of new neurons. This enhances cognitive function, mental clarity, and focus. Additionally, fasting helps protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cognitive decline. When you break your fast, you'll want to choose foods that support brain health and maintain the cognitive benefits of fasting. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and fish, provide the brain with the omega-3 fatty acids it needs for optimal function. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, help protect against cellular damage and inflammation. Breaking your fast improperly can undo much of the work your body has done during the fasting period. The most significant culprit is sugar. A sugary breakfast or snack might feel like a quick energy boost, but it will cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Similarly, processed foods, which are often loaded with refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and additives, can disrupt the body's metabolic processes. They increase inflammation, overwhelm your digestive system, and derail the repair processes that fasting initiated. High-carb, low-nutrient foods also lead to insulin spikes, which, as we've already discussed, can prevent fat burning and reset the hormonal balance achieved through fasting. After you break your fast with the right foods, the key is to continue nurturing your body with balanced, nutrient-dense meals. Fasting is not just about the fast itself, but about the way you live your life, how you fuel your body, how you move, and how you think. When you focus on whole, unprocessed foods, healthy fats, proteins, and non-starchy vegetables, you can maintain the metabolic benefits of fasting. You'll continue to burn fat, improve insulin sensitivity, support brain health, and promote cellular repair. It's not just about what you do during the fast, it's about how you carry that momentum forward into your everyday life. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll get more insights on metabolic health and practical tips on how to take control of your body and mind. This isn't just about food. This is about taking control of your body's inner workings. This is about understanding the powerful, transformative effects of fasting on your metabolism, hormones, and overall health. By breaking your fast properly, by choosing nutrient-dense, easily digestible foods, you set the stage for a healthier, more vibrant life. Your body is capable of amazing things, and when you feed it the right way, after fasting, you unlock its full potential. If you're ready to transform your health, take the next step. Check out the ebook linked below for more practical tips and tools to help you harness the power of metabolic health and fasting. Take control of your metabolic health today, because your future self will thank you.